What's up guys, Rich here with my colleague Eva again today. Today guys, we have a beautiful listing we would like to show you in Lomas de Ajijic, which is just right at the top of the hill in Ajijic town. It's, this, I have to say, is an absolutely stunning listing, Eva.
It is a wonderful property. It is, like Rich said, located in Upper Ajijic. So the views from the back terrace are totally amazing.
Can you tell us a little bit about this property, Eva, please?
Okay, apart from the views, this property is pretty amazing because it's all on one level. It is 5,027 square feet, all on one level, no steps whatsoever. So those older couples that are looking for a nice place to retire, it's absolutely perfect. And it has 1,018 square meters of land.
It's a big house.
The equivalent of 10,900 square feet. So up here in the village, you usually don't come across properties that combine this large construction as well as lot size.
So how old is the construction of the property?
The property dates from 1997, but in 4 years ago, a full remodeling was done to bring it to like brand new status. And it has a private pool. The community of Lomas de Ajijic has a fabulous clubhouse, and the property has 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms and 1 half bath. The guest wing, I would say, is on one completely separate side of the house, opposite to the master bedroom and sitting area. So it makes it very nice and private if you have guests.
I would say this is probably one of the most exclusive gated communities here at Lakeside. Is that right?
Talking about, you know, location, having an address of Lomas de Ajijic is the most prestigious address you could possibly have in Ajijic. It is gated, so the guard is there 24 hours, 7 days a week. So it makes it a very nice and safe place to enjoy your life in Mexico.
So I'm sure a lot of people who are watching this are going, okay guys, how much is this listing?
This house is listed for $675,000 US.
So if you're looking for a very exclusive gated community here in Ajijic, guys, this house could be the one that is for you. It's going to be our I'm excited about this one. Are you excited, Eva?
I'm very excited.
Oh,
it is a wonderful property, and if you want to see it, well, after you enjoy the video that is following, please get in touch with Rich or with me, and we would gladly make arrangements to show it for you.
Absolutely, absolutely. So it would be our pleasure to show you around this beautiful property. So, I mean, without further ado, guys, we're going to be showing you the property. So stay tuned. It's on its way.
And enjoy Casa Donna.
Enjoy Casa Donna. And by the way, guys, if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification button down below. I upload videos every single week. Oh
yes, he is very good with the videos, and it will be in your advantage to follow his channel on Facebook, because on YouTube, I apologize.
I'm on Facebook as well, guys.
Because he has very important and helpful information about living in Mexico and buying property in Mexico as an expat, as a foreigner.
Absolutely. We're here to help, guys. So enjoy the video. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Amigos.